Good morning, grade 7. Hope you're all doing good. In today's lecture, we will be studying chapter number 13. A new power emerges, Europeans in South Asia. The rise of the British. So, how did the British rose in the subcontinent? I have told you earlier that the later Mughals, they were corrupt rulers, and at the same time, the British came in as traders for spices. So, when the Britishers they saw that the Mughals were corrupt, they started taking over the subcontinent. In 1756, a ruler known as Siraj-ud-Daulah, when he saw that the British people they were conquering the subcontinent, he attacked the British at Calcutta. Uh, Robert Clive from the British side, he recovered Calcutta with the help of the British fleet, and in 1756, conspiring with Mir Jafar, he defeated and killed Siraj-ud-Daulah. This was the Battle of Plassey. In the Battle of Plassey, Siraj-ud-Daulah attacked the British at Calcutta, but the Britishers they attacked back and defeated Siraj-ud-Daulah. So, the Battle of Plassey had placed the Diwani, the right to collect taxes from the Bengal, in the hands of the British. So, Britishers now had the power to take taxes from the Bengal people. The Battle of Buxar. In the Battle of Buxar, again the subcontinent rulers they saw that the Britishers were increasing their strength, so they started war against the Britishers. In the Battle of Buxar in 1764, Mir Qasim he asked the help of ruler of Awada, Shuja-ud-Daulah and Shah Alam, the Mughal emperor, to throw the British out of Bengal. The combined forces were defeated by the Britishers, and this made the Britishers master of Deccan. So the Britishers were that strong that the combined forces of the Mughals could not defeat them. So in the Battle of Buxar and the Battle of Plassey, both were won by the Britishers. Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan, the Tiger of Mysore. In this paragraph, all you need to know is that Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan they tried their best to defeat the Britishers, but in the long run, the Britishers they defeated them, and both Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan displayed exceptional bravery and skill in warfare and in the administration of Mysore, which became a prosperous state where trade flourished and justice was given to the people. This was today's lecture. Thank you.